Hi friends, today we are going to do a little bit standing asanas. The standing asanas are very much popular in Hatha Yoga for build your core balance and strength. The same time it will reduce the stress level a lot and it is very good to reduce weight also. The strength of the lower body is considered as our strength in total, as we know. The lower body has to balance the upper body, and in some variations in standing postures will stretch your sides very well and it will help you to trim the body. More than that, it will balance the inequality in your legs also. If you are thinking from the side of Kundalini Yoga, it is a little bit more, because Kundalini Yoga says that the standing postures are the building blocks for the grounding towards the flow and grounding towards the society, grounding your mind and body. So, more than the explanation, let's try these postures. I think it is much better than the verbal explanation or the theories. So, let's start. Try to stay straight and try to stay still. Try to avoid all kind of body movements. Slowly put your hands on your head with interlocked fingers. Stretch your hands up. Stretch. Stretch as much as you can. Just twist your hands up and stretch. Keep stretching. Try to expand your spine as much as you can by stretching the hands up. With the same stretch, without twisting the body, bend forward. Try to place your palms down on the floor. Stay there. Try to stay there for 1 minute. One more minute. Your knees should be straight. The knees should be straight. Drop your head down. Drop your head down. Try to squeeze your abdomen so automatically you can bend a little more forward. You can try to hold on the toes with your hands and try to pull the upper body down. Actually, try to pull your chin down towards the legs. Slowly come up by vertebrae. Just roll up, roll the spine up. Support on your back with your hands and gently arch back. You don't need to arch much more. Just try to arch, make a comfortable arch. Slowly come up. Spread your legs wider. A little more wider for triangle. Very good. Turn your right leg out. Right palm on the right thigh. Left hand with your ear. Slowly bend to right. Good. Stay there. Try to stay there for a 30 seconds more. Normalize the breath. Feel the stretch on the left side of your body, especially the abs side. And you can feel the flow of the blood on the right side of your brain. Very good. Slowly come up. Make the legs parallel again. Turn your left leg out. Right hand with your ear. Slowly bend to left. Always try to keep your hips straight. Don't twist the body. And both knees should be straight. Stretch your right hand as much as you can. Stay there for 30 seconds. The knees should be straight. Don't twist your upper body. Slowly come up. Spread your legs a little more wider. Turn your right leg out. Keep your hands like this, 90 degrees from the body. Slowly bend your right knee. Virabhadrasana. Try to push your hip directly down towards the floor. Don't move your upper body forward or backward. Keep it straight. 90 degree towards the floor. And just try to push your hip down towards the floor. Slowly come up. Turn your left leg out. ഈ തലച്ചിരി കേട്ടിട്ട് ഈ തലച്ചിരി കേട്ടിട്ട് ഈ ഭാഗം മതി അല്ല ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് hands apart. Bend, turn your left leg out and slowly bend the left knee. Very good. Try to push your hip directly down towards the floor and stay there. Veeryam on the face. Slowly come up. Spread your legs a little more apart. Little more wider. Turn your right leg out and twist your upper body to right. Bend your knee, right knee. Bend the right knee 90 degree and arch back. Anjaneya. Arch a little more back. You can try to push your hip more down towards the floor. Slowly come up. Opposite. Turn your left leg out. And turn the body to left and arch back. Your back knee should be straight. Yes. And arch as much as you can. Try to push your hip down towards the floor and enjoy the stretch. Keep your face relaxed. Slowly come up. Spread your legs a little more wider. Wider, 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 wider. Hold on the toes or ankles with your both hands. The wider means apart, not closer. You can try to put your hip down on the floor if you can. Slowly try to put your hands down on the floor and spread your legs a little more apart. Try to bring the whole body weight on the hands. Just relax your legs and let it spread as much as it can. Enjoy the stretch. Slowly bend your elbow and put your head down on the floor. Slowly come up. Slowly come up. We'll go for a 6 round of Surya Namaskara before breathing. Put your mat like this. Right. Little back. Korch back. Good. Come a little forward in the mat. Feet together, hands together. Inhale. Now exhale, Namaskara. Inhale, stretch arms and arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back. Hold the breath, both leg back. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead down. Inhale, head up, chest down. Exhale, hip up. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, both leg forward. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, Namaskara. Inhale, down, Namaskara. Arch back. Bend forward. Left leg back. Both leg back. Knee, chest, forehead down. Head up, chest up. Hip up. Left leg forward. Both leg forward. Arch back. Namaskara. Down. Namaskara. Arch back. Bend forward. Right leg back. Both leg back. Knee to head down. Head up, chest up. Hip up. Right leg forward. Both leg forward. Arch back. Namaskara. Down. Namaskara. Arch back. Bend forward. Left leg back. Both leg back. Knee to head down. Head up, chest up. Hip up. Left leg forward, both leg forward, arch back, Namaskara, down, Namaskara, arch back, bend forward, right leg back, both leg back, knee to head down, head up, chest up, Hip up, right leg forward, both leg forward, arch back, namaskar, down, namaskar, arch back, bend forward, left leg back, both leg back, knee jasha head down, head up, chest up, hip up, left leg forward, both leg forward, arch back, namaskar, down, namaskar, arch back, bend forward, right leg back, both leg back, knee jasha head down, head up, chest up, hip up, right leg forward, both leg forward, arch back, namaskar, down, namaskar, arch back, bend forward, left leg back, both leg back, knee jasha head down, head up, chest up, hip up, left leg forward, both leg forward, arch back, namaskar, down, namaskar, arch back, bend forward, right leg back, both leg back, knee jasha head down, head up, chest up, hip up, right leg forward, both leg forward, arch back, namaskar, down, namaskar, arch back, bend forward, left leg back, both leg back, knee jasha head down, head up, chest up, hip up, left leg forward, both leg forward, arch back, namaskar, down, namaskar, arch back, bend forward, right leg back, both leg back, knee jasha head down, head up, chest up, hip up, right leg forward, both leg forward, arch back, namaskar, down, namaskar, arch back, bend forward, left leg back, both leg back, knee jasha head down, head up, chest up, hip up, left leg forward, both leg, arch back, namaskar, down, and lay down. Lay down on your back, hands apart, feet apart. Close your eyes for a while, just relax.